Okay, let's talk about the possible impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte. It did not succeed
Yes.
during the last Congress, and the Supreme Court came out with the decision na parang ab initio. Tama ba?
Ab initio, void
Oo.
ab initio daw.
Oo, it's
Daw.
void from the very beginning. So technically that means that if you go through history records, it would mean hindi siya na-impeach at all. Tama, no?
That would be a very bitter pill for the House to swallow, because they did impeach her, 200 plus of their representatives. Nga lang, yun na nga, in-archive dito sa Senate at nagkaroon ng ganyang ruling ang Korte Suprema. Still hoping against hope na magre-reverse ng sarili niya ang Korte Suprema. Though as time passes, Karen, syempre medyo numinipis na yung pag-asang ganoon. Another possibility para masingil ang accountability ng dapat singilin based on the very substantive grounds ayon sa House na nandun sa impeachment complaint nila, would be the possibility pointed out even by the Supreme Court if other complainants or maybe the same complainants ay maghahain ulit ng complaint sa Pebrero 2026, and if the House would take it up again and transmit it to us. Strictly speaking also, kahit yung archived impeachment complaint ay andun pa rin sa Senate archives. Nga lang, they could not be voted upon by us to be unarchived at ipagpatuloy namin yung debate doon unless and until na yun na nga, becoming less probable, mag-reverse ng sarili ang Supreme Court.
Okay, pero you think that you can revive that archived impeachment complaint, or frankly speaking, because there will be a 1-year lapse by February, I believe, tama ba?
Well, if the little miracle of the Supreme Court reversing itself could still happen, one of us would move to take a vote in the Senate para ilabas yung complaint sa archives para maipagpatuloy namin yung debate doon and push it towards a vote whether to convict or to acquit.
Okay, but what about the filing of a new impeachment complaint in the lower house? There are 2 years to go before the next elections. Given that they changed the rules as well, do you think that's even probable or plausible?
Well, the they who changed the rules, unfortunately, I believe, is the Supreme Court dun sa ruling nila na kapag hindi nila ni-reverse would make an already, difficult, rightly so naman, difficult impeachment process even more difficult. So, yung mabigat na trabaho ng transparency and accountability ay naging mas mabigat pa. So, I mean, these processes are, again, rightly so, under the Constitution, may mga strict requirements. Kaya lang yung impeachment, which is one of the citizens' roots to extract accountability from us na nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno, naging mas mahirap pa. I'm not complaining, dinedescribe ko lang, and kahit mas mahirap na ngayon, patuloy po kaming naghahanda to do our legislative duties.
Okay.